Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. And today we're going to talk about suspicion. What do you do if you suspect that your child is being abused by your ex? Now, I got to tell you a couple things first. I'm not sure what you mean when you say abuse. My ex is abusing the child. I will tell you that the court has a very specific definition of that, and it may go much narrower than your overall definition. You may say, your child is being abused because your ex says something negative about you in the earshot of the child. Well, I don't know if that's you being abused or your child being abused. I will tell you this. In the context of family court and custody battles, the court hears abuse all the time. The court hears, people accusing other people of doing something damaging to the child, and therefore, I want custody. My ex is doing this, and therefore, give the custody decision to me. And the court has heard it all up to here, okay? So, if you're going to accuse somebody of abuse, number one, the first thing the judge is going to tell you, did you call CPS? If your child's being abused, did you call Child Protective Services? And the moment you say no, the court will think, number one, you must not think this is very serious, or you would have done what anybody else would have done. And number two, the court may say, well, you know what, stop everything. Let's get CPS involved and get a report recommendation from them after they investigate. That's probably going to delay the court making a ruling on your particular case, because now that you've said something's going on, you have forced the court to investigate it. So, if there's abuse going on, get CPS involved, let them investigate it. It's the right thing to do. But be careful, because if you're trying to get more custody, for example, and you got 3 reasons, one of them relates to abuse that you're not 100% sure of, it might be better off to keep that under your hat and go with the other 2 reasons, because those may be valid reasons for the court to revisit the issue, whereas the abuse, if it's not 100% valid and CPS comes back with no credible evidence of abuse, this is only going to make you look bad before the court. We don't want to do that. So in these kind of issues, you got to be very careful. You got to tread very lightly. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.